If you look at the CEO in question, he was appointed in early 2020 when the previous CEO left the company. Oh, he already left 2017, it was Rikoro. And then only in 2020 they appointed the CEO in question. Then he was told in July 2024 that the board will not renew his contract when it expires in 2025. Now the whole story started in August 2024 when the cabinet instructed the Minister of Finance, or actually it was called the Minister of Finance and Public Enterprises.
Yes.
During that time, they instructed him to reappoint the CEO. Now, the reason for the public enterprise included under finance, if you look at the Ministry of Public Enterprises, it was specifically created in 2015 with a minister because of the dismal performances of the state-owned enterprises, to get them on the same page. And he, in 2022, sort of got it all together, and then they disbanded the ministry and moved the portfolio under finance.
Yes.
So we have now, in this year, what will happen now, like before 2015, every state-owned enterprise reported to a line minister. Then it was Public Enterprises Ministry, then Ministry of Finance to include them, and now this year again, it will go out to the line ministries. That is the latest. Therefore, we have now got the Ministry of Finance and Social Grants.